Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'll be unboxing the key pouch from Louis Vuitton. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. So I decided to get two key pouches just because I know how hard it is to get this item, and of course because of the quality issues, I wanted to make sure I got a good one. So here's the first box. Let's open this one up. So when you open it up, it says Louis Vuitton. And it doesn't, it didn't come wrapped with the ribbon, but it did come with it. And here, of course, is the receipt. It comes in this cute little box. And of course, it has a little dust bag. I also have this in the Dame Graphite, but this time I got it in the Monogram. So here's a closer look of one side. This is the bottom, looks okay. And this is one side. The flowers don't exactly line up. And on this side, it's almost the same. And here's the top, the zipper. And the pull tab says LV. So let's look at the inside. And this is the SKU number. It says Pochette Clay Monogram. And this is the textile card, coated fabric. This is the key ring where you put your keys, and it says LV. So the way to open it is to pull up, then out. Then to close it, you pull back up, then down. On the inside, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And I know there were issues with the stitching, and this one you can't see through, so that's good. So what I noticed is one side is a little bit more straight and the other is more curved on the corner. Okay, so this is the second key pouch. So here again is the box and receipt. This also comes with the ribbon inside. And here is the second key pouch. This is what the front looks like, the bottom, and the sides. This one also says made in France. And again, no issues with the stitching. So here are both of the key pouches together. The one on top is the first one I unboxed, and the second one is the one on the bottom. Here I'm going to take a closer look of the quality for both pouches. So the first one has a little indentation on the corner. Take a better view of it. But it's very minor. If you look on the left side, you can see the stitching doesn't exactly match up against each other. One on the right is a little bit higher. And as a result, the flower doesn't line up together. On the right side, the stitching on top is a little bit better, but the flowers are kind of just next to each other instead of mirroring each other. And on the bottom, it does line up pretty well, I would say. The other side looks pretty good. There aren't any indentations. The zipper on top looks pretty good, no issues there. So the right side seems to be a little bit more straight than on the left side. The left side is a little bit more curved throughout. And this one is key pouch number 2. This is what the front looks like. The stitching looks a little bit better. It actually lines up at the very top. The other side looks pretty good as well. And the bottom lines up pretty well. The top looks pretty good too. There's no issues here. And lastly, this is what the other side looks like. I don't see any dents on this side either. So which one did I choose? I decided to pick key pouch number 2 just because it had better stitching and better quality. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.